once every 3 or 4 days, I go through dirt clog cleaning day, and it consists of all the dirt clogs I've gathered up throughout, like every 3 days, depending on the dirt clogs. I go through here. This is time consuming, big time, but it's worth it finding. Holy moly. I found another one of those things that glows. Anyways, it's not about that, but I may do a video later if I can get images off of that. But this is how I find those. I take water, put a little water in here, and I have the gravel that came from the dirt clogs on this side, and I just do this. And that brings out all the little bitty pieces of chert, and I gather every single little piece I can up, and I throw them, everything but including limonite, whatever I can get. I make sure they're clean, and I throw them in a bucket. I'll show you the bucket now. Here's the bucket right here. This comes from the dirt clogs. It's pretty time consuming, as you can tell. Like I literally pick up each individual rock out of here, searching for anything, you know. You cannot, that's the only logical way I know of getting to everything, to where I can see everything, is just doing that, knocking all the small, like sand stuff to the bottom, and then all the chert stones and all the, you know, fossils and anything that happens to be in here comes to the surface, and that's how I'm able to clean everything and find fossils in the dirt clogs. But look, this is a lot of gravel to go through, but it's worth it. It's worth it to me, because I just love doing it. But I just wanted to show you. But this is definitely 100% one of those weird objects. I have found 9 of them now. But that's how I'm finding them. I just wanted to let you know. Have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are in the world.